So in this video we are going to solve the question number 7. So question A says, question A, the figure given below shows a photosynthetic reaction. Study the figure and answer the parts label A, B, C and D. So this is the structure of chloroplast showing a light reaction and dark reaction. So identify the parts A. First the parts A. Now this part is called, now the part A is ATP. So in the light reaction the NADPH and ATP is formed. Okay, so the part label A is ATP and the part label B is oxygen. During the light reaction the oxygen is formed, so the part B is oxygen. And the part C is carbon dioxide. Okay, so part B is carbon dioxide. So in the dark reaction the carbon dioxide is converted into glucose. And the part D is chloroplast. Okay, so that's the end of the and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.